And we begin with a severe weather alert this morning as well. Nearly 50 million people across the Midwest and the South face a threat of tornadoes, strong winds, and flash flooding today.
Yeah, and unfortunately, this is part of a multi-day severe weather threat that has already killed at least 7 people. Fox's Kaylee Schuyler joining us live from Selmer, Tennessee. Good morning, Kaylee.
Good morning, Ty and Celeste. So a preliminary report from the National Weather Service says that an EF3 tornado ripped through this area with winds exceeding 140 miles per hour. And now things aren't looking too bad out here right now, but the weather has been really up and down. So flash flooding is going to be a concern into the weekend. Could also see hail here amongst all this devastation. So what you're seeing back here behind me is an auto sales shop. I mean, you can see the side of that building was just completely ripped off. The roof is gone, and now it's all laying here in this parking lot on top of a couple of BMWs. But it's really crazy just to see how strong these winds really are. I mean, you can see those heavy cement blocks that are just laying on top of these cars now. And I want to show you, I want to point out the couch that is laying amongst all this rubble, and really just to show you what a tangled mess it is out here and how things just went flying. So you see this truck, the front windshield smashed in, the back driver's side window smashed in, and a cushion now has somehow made it all the way into the back of this truck. Now, a lot of volunteers have been out here, people who were not impacted by the storm. They said they wanted to come out and help, and that's one of the reasons Governor Bill Lee says that he's feeling hopeful.
You see an outpouring of Tennesseans volunteering to help Tennesseans, and frankly, people from other states and other regions who are coming into this area to provide help and support for those who need it. It's heartening, it's heartbreaking, and it's heartening at the same time.
I've tried to talk to some of the volunteers out here, and they tell me they're not doing it for the recognition. They just want to be a good person and come out and help those who need it. But I want to show you, too, just across the street, there used to be a stoplight right here. Now you can see some of the remainders that are laying here on the side of the road and on the other side of the street. And you can see this other car lot where just dozens of cars have been mangled. So these volunteers really are going to be needed for the next few weeks, if not months, because as you all mentioned, more severe weather is going to be hitting this weekend across multiple states. In Selmer, Tennessee, Kaylee Schuyler, Fox 10 News.
It has been heartbreaking to see those images for sure. Kaylee, take care of yourself and your crew, of course, as well. Best to you.